Wow. Nah, pregnancy no easy, guys. Pregnancy no easy. See, it's all these women where they carry the leg. If you see them, they hate them. See, as I just carry this my own, only because they suffer and they go. I don't tell on at that time. Say, I don't. Now, waiting my problem now. See, I don't get where I stay. I don't get house. I don't know what to do. Maybe I will go somewhere, go stay. This way give me the self. I know even they hear about the person self. She be on they insult me, say make I go find the person. Make I find the person. I don't see the person. Let me say make I tell on her. I don't see her. Guys, you will not believe what happened to them. Do you know that my landlord chased me out of the house because I'm owing him just 1 month. Just 1 month. Look at my condition. No, look at it now. Does it worth it? I don't know why some people they don't get woman sympathy. This is my condition, and this man will chase me out of the house. Some people they hold 6 months, so they never pay. Some they hold 1 year, they never pay. Just 1 month. Now this man just chased me out of the house. But no problem. I know what to do. Joy! Baby. Joy! Is this you? It's me. Joy! It's a long story. Joy! After how many years? Oh my God! Sorry. Joy, where have you been? Don't worry, I was meant to. Are you staying around? Yes. Are you also staying around? I'm not staying around. That is even what I'm saying now. My landlord chased me out of the house, so I don't have anywhere to stay.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, why? What happened?
My dear, I don't know. I didn't do anything. Just that I'm going here 1 month. But wait, why would my landlord chase me out even with this condition?
It's a cruel world, my dear. And you see, these days, these landlords, they're very wicked. Joy, okay, you know what? Where are you heading to? And
I don't have anywhere to go. I've been patrolling from one place to another. That is what I'm telling these my people. So, wait. You say you're not staying around, but you say you're staying around.
I stay around.
I want to come to you.
Don't worry, I'll ask you to come to my shop. That's what I was about to direct to you. Okay. My shop is, how do I describe? Okay, you know the end of the street?
Yes.
That junction there. That place where you see bike parking there.
Yes.
Okay, once you get to that junction, you take your left. Once you take your left, the first junction by your right hand side, by your left.
That place they are selling all these food.
Yes, there's one shop there, a black shop. They're selling drinks there. Just come there. That's my shop.
Okay, is that your shop?
Yes. Just come there, okay? So because I'm in a hurry, I want to go and collect supplies from the customers, okay? So please try and come so we can talk. I missed you. I don't even have your number whatsoever. But when you come, please, I'll be expecting you, okay? And please leave the sun, okay? Joy. Wow. All right, take care there.
All right, bye. I'm going to see you.
Okay, all right, bye. Joy. Joy.
Don't worry, I will come. Okay. I'm going to explain.
All right, dear. Bye.
I feel like I share with myself. Cut that camera, cut it.